Now in this video I'm going to do a bit of review of this foam sponge. Now this is what we use to put over like our mic. So if you're using like a headphone, we have a lot of replacement right here in this package. As you guys can see, that's how them look. So we have a lot of them right here inside this package. So whenever you have your headphone, you can just tuck these on to prevent it from like windshield. It's more like a dead cat, but more of a spongy material. And we have a lot of them right in here. So easily can go over headphone. So I'm a person, whenever I'm playing gaming and I'm talking to my friends through my headphone right here, I can easily put these over. So if I'm in a condition where the fan is blowing and I want to prevent those, I can easily stick these on, do it like so, and boom, there you have it. I can easily prevent the wind muff from going to the mic right here and make it sound super perfect. So this is it, guys. Great product, and a lot of them right here. So the link for this is in the description of this video. So if you guys interested, you can purchase these. Thanks for watching. Hope you find this video very helpful.